Okay, what do we got here? This is a 2007 Toyota Avensis powered key. So I'm going to change the battery. And I did my other one, so this should go fairly smoothly. You have a little screw there. Take that all the way out. Try not to lose it. Then I'm changing my little screwdriver bit to a flat bit. And what you have to do, you have to pry this open. One side pries better than the other. One side's stuck to the frame. Maybe this side here. Okay, so that's like that. And it took me quite a while for the first time because it's pretty well in there. Now, I'm kind of looking at this on the camera rather than it. So I took a couple of tools before. Got it opened, yeah. There's nothing there to hold it except for maybe dirt. Which side is it? It's the screw side, isn't it? So I'm going to get this in there. Can't hurt anything by punching it inside there very much. But let's see, we'll try it again. That's what I'm saying. I guess I didn't have this one open, so I'm just trying to slide that along there now. Gently working my way up there. Just keep going around, sort of like opening a can. Just gently. And if it comes out, you have to start over. I mean, that's the idea. How long is it going to take me? Okay, now, if you can, see, this is a little cartridge, and you take this little black cover comes off. So if you're careful enough, and you can open this without taking the buttons out, you're better off, because my first one, these buttons were slightly damaged, and now, like that one's damaged now too. They once you take them apart, they're damaged. So then you just take your screwdriver. If you can hold it in there, like I say, you'd be better off. Just lift that black cover. It's flexible. And there's your battery. And then you just take something and pop it out of there. See, it's down in this corner, so you got to get it out. Come on, baby. I want something sharp. Oh, God. There. And then just remember which way you had it. Which way was it? That side up, that side down. I forget already. I'll have to do a rewind and see. But anyway, then you just put it all back together.